Bought this little portable AC here. Got the buttons, turn it on. Let's see here. You got 3 speeds here. You got 3 different speeds. I think I was pressing it too hard. That's what it was. It's barely touching. Now you want that little cool way to come out, hit that. Ooh. Ooh. You feel a little mist there. It feels good. A little mist. Now let me show you where the ice want to go. Just right here. You open this up. That's where the ice water go. You put the ice water in there. Just follow the instructions. Put it down. Got your little portable. You got a little mist. I don't know if you can see the little mist coming out of there. Ah, nice.
Yo compré este ventilador porque en la casita aquí donde juegan mis niñas, como pueden ver, había mucho calor. Entonces, este ventilador tú le pones varias velocidades, le echas hielo, el aire te lo suelta frío, le pones el tiempo que tú quieres que esté encendido, se lo quita para que no, para que sí. ¿Ven? Miren. Para que eche más hielo, menos hielo, el agua, el aire. ¿Ven? Para que eche agüita. Riquísimo. Tiene lucecita especial. Ellas se quedaron encantadas con su nuevo ventilador, para que en su casita de juguete no tener tanto calor y de esta forma disfrutan mejor jugar todo como moja el agüita fría. Miren, te echa el agua fría, le pone hielo y te echa el agua fría. Una maravilla, a nosotros nos encantó.
Pretty cool little fan. It's got a few different speed settings, kind of like you'd expect. One nice thing is it's got an automatic timer for 2 hours and 4 hours, so you can turn on and off. This one, how much water it will put out. You just fill this little bottom tray down here, and then it can spray water, so it's like a cool mist. It can act as a nightlight as well, so that's kind of cool. It's got a little adjustment over here, which just, as you can see, actuates that paddle inside of there, and then, you know, adjusts the direction of the air. And like I said, it's USB-C, so pretty much any charger will work for it.
Hey, so I bought this desktop air conditioning fan from Amazon. It comes with the manual, the fan itself, and a charger. So you do have to charge the fan for it to start. It comes with 4 very basic features: the turn on feature, a timing feature, the cooling feature, and the light feature. It has 7 different color ambient lights, fast cooling, quiet timing, shaking head air supply, 3-speed adjustment, and refrigeration spray. I use it for my room. I put it on my desk, and I really recommend it.
kids' sports games. Pretty easy to assemble. Just put the eyes, cold water, and then you click. It's got the charger back here. And when you turn it on, you can go higher, time, and it changes colors as well.
Yeah.
Attention all Jamaicans, do you realize that $60,000 month light bill is just over $700,000 a year? And in the end, you have nothing to show. Our air conditioner cable systems start with $650,000 plus installation. Super Solar makes it possible for you to own a safe, warranty-backed solar system that can tell you
You want to do a rain battle? I just found something.